Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add PHP code in specific page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our page. On this page we are going to add PHP code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this format we are going to display code on specific page in WordPress. Now you see function and then you see is underscore page. So this is our page ID. Now go to edit page and then you see 3281. So we are using this ID in custom code. Now back to code. So we added 3281 and then you see code. So you can add your custom code here in this location. And then you see if close, so you can add your page ID, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and you will find this format in video description or in comment section. So in this location or area you can add your PHP code. Now go to elemented page, refresh the page, and then you see custom content by using custom code on this page. Now go to another page, refresh the page. Now you don't see any custom content on this page, only display on this page. By using custom code we added this page ID in custom code. Now you see 3281. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.